Hello and welcome to the KNAX shop instruction video on how to put your KNAX Coat Rack onto a wall. In the package you will find a small package of 2 black screws. Depending on the wall type, you might need a drilling machine with a 6mm drill. Here we are on a slightly softer wall of wood, so that makes it more easy. You put your coat rack up in the height you want. Normally eye height is quite nice. You open your hook where you find the first hole behind. You mark where the hole is. Take off your coat rack and then you drill the hole if needed. Then you take some soft clothes. Put on your hook to protect it. And fix it onto the wall, leaving a little bit space so it can move. Then you take your level, put your coat rack in level, take your pencil for the second time, mark your hole for the second screw, and you can leave it down while you drill with your drilling machine if needed. Then you put the coat rack up, protect the hook, put the screw into the rack, into the hole, and now you're ready to fix your KNAX Coat Rack onto the wall. And the first screw all fixed. And now you're ready to enjoy Danish design coat rack on your wall.